Morning students, this is Pooja Nautiyal here. In the last session, we learned about noun. So you must be aware about noun. So we can say a noun is the name of a person, place, thing or an activity. In this session, in this class, we will be reading about nouns, singular and plural. A noun that denotes one person or thing is said to be in the singular number. As examples, boy, girl, cow, bird, tree, book, pen. These words refers to one thing only. Next, a noun that describes more than one person or thing is said to be in the plural form. Examples are there. Boys, if I will say boy, it means they are more than one in number. Girls, cows, birds, trees, books, and pens. Thus, there are two numbers in English, the singular and the plural. Now the question is how you are going to make plurals. So there are some rules are included here. Generally, the plural of nouns is generally formed by adding s to the singular. If in general we have to make plural form of any of the singular noun, so we will be adding s to the singular form. Like if boy, if there's a common noun boy and we have to make plural, that will become boys. Boy refers to one number and boys means more than one. Books will become books. Flower, flowers. Hours. Girl, girls. Months. Now there are some more rules while making plural form. We have to keep in mind how we are going to make plural of these singular noun. First one is we will be adding as at the end of the singular noun to make it plural. Second one is noun ending in s, sh, ch or x form, the plural by adding es to the singular form. Example, class is a noun, common noun, and it is ending with s, and if we have to make its plural, then we will be adding es. Like plural of class will be classes. Plural of match will be matches. Plural of this will be dishes. Plural of fox will be foxes. Plural of church will be churches. Rule number 3. Now come on rule number 3. Nouns ending in o also form the plural by ending es to the singular form. Now we have to see the word. If it is ending with o and we have to make plural of it, then simply we will be adding es to the singular form. Like buffalo, it refers to one buffalo. If I will be adding es to the singular form, it will become buffaloes. Mango, mangoes. Photo, photos. Stereo, stereos. We can add s. Some of the words we can add s also. Fourth rule is noun ending in y form, they are plural by changing y into i's and adding es to the singular form. There's also a rule, if there's a word, there's a noun, and if it is ending with y, then we have to drop that y word and instead of y, we will be using I, and we will be adding es to the singular form. Like example, baby, it will become babies. Lady, we have to drop, if we have to make plural, we will be dropping y, and this y, instead of y, we will be writing I and we will be adding es. So it will become ladies. Next, fifth one, the noun ending in f or fe form, they are plural by changing f or fe into y and adding es to the singular form. Same rule. In the same rule, if the noun is ending with f, then we have to drop this f and this f will become y, and again we have to add es to the singular form. Like thief is ending with f, the singular thief is ending with f, we have to drop this f and we have this F will become V, and we will be adding ES. It will become thieves, wife, wives, loaf, loaves, self, selves. Certain nouns can be changed into plural by changing the vowels. There are many nouns. If we are supposed to make plurals of these nouns, then we have to just change into plurals by changing the vowels. Like foot, it will become feet. Mouse, mice. Goose, geese. Tooth, teeth. Man, men. Child, children. Now, in the case of compound noun, a compound noun is made by plural by adding to the principal word. If we have to, in the above text, we have used only simple nouns. Now, if in the case of compound noun, so we will be adding s to the main noun. Like the word is father-in-law. If we have to make plural of this word, it will become fathers-in-law. Daughter-in-law, it will become daughters-in-law. So in this session we just learnt about how to make plural. So just have a quick recap of this. As I have just told you, first thing, in the last lesson we learned about noun. What are noun? Noun refers to what is noun? A noun is the name of a person, place, thing, or an activity. Second thing is noun. A noun that denotes one person or thing is said to be in singular number. And plural, the noun that denotes more than one person or thing is said to be in plural form. Now question arises is how you are going to make plural of these nouns. First one is generally we will be adding s to the singular form, but everywhere it is not applicable. Like in the case of we add s to the some singular noun, like boy will become boys, book, books, flower, flowers, are, girl, months, months. Second rule is noun ending in s, sh, or x form the plural by adding es to the singular form. Example, if we have to see the word, we have to see the noun, if it is ending with s, sh, or x form, we can make plural of these noun by adding es to the singular form. Like class will become classes, match will become matches, dish will become dishes, fox will become foxes, church will become churches. Now next one is nouns ending in o form, the plural by adding es to the singular form. Like buffalo, this is noun. And it is ending with o, so if we want to make plural of it, it will become buffaloes. Mango will become mangoes. Sometimes we will be adding s to the words ending in o form. Like photo will become photos, stereo will become stereos. Next, nouns ending in y form, they are plural by ending y into I and changing es to the singular form. There are some words which are ending with y, and if we have to make plural of these words, so we will be dropping the word y, and instead of y we will be writing I, and then just adding es, like baby. So instead of, we have to change y into I and adding es to the singular form. Like baby will become babies, lady will become ladies. Next, the nouns ending in f or fe form, they are plural by changing f or fe into y and adding es to the singular form. Like thief, there's a word thief and it is ending with f, and if you have to keep in mind, yes, this is ending with f, so this f will change into y and we will be adding es. So thief will become thieves, wife will become wives, loaf will become, plural of loaves will be loaves, f will change into y and add es to it, selves. Certain nouns can be changed into plural by changing the vowels. Now we can change certain nouns by changing Certain nouns can be changed into plural by plurals by changing the vowels. We have to change the vowels. Like food become, the plural of food will be feet. Mouse will be mice. Goose, geese. Tooth, teeth. Men, men. Child or children. Now in the case of compound noun is a compound noun is made plural by adding s to the principal word. Like the word is father-in-law. It is not a simple noun. It is a compound noun. Singular is father-in-law. So we will be adding s to the main verb, like s to the principal word, like fathers-in-law. Daughter-in-law will become daughters-in-law. This is all about for today's session. I hope you must have understood it. This is all about today. Thank you. We will be meeting in the next session.